From the magnificent Great Wall of China to the temples of Japan, the bustling streets and alleyways of Hong Kong to the unspoiled beaches of Thailand, Asia is a region steeped in legend and wonder. And a world away, mysterious Africa calls to the adventurous traveler to uncover her secrets. Let Princess bring the Far East and faraway Africa enticingly within reach. Imagine the extraordinary experiences awaiting you as you go ashore in such storied ports as Vietnam's Ho Chi Minh City, Shanghai in China, or Thailand's vibrant Bangkok. Princess offers a spectacular array of itineraries to these and other Asian locales in 2009, ranging from 14 to an incredible 32 days. We've got more Asia sailings than ever, including 3 new itineraries. Our popular Southeast Asia and China voyage on Diamond Princess sails between Beijing and Bangkok, with calls in Taiwan, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Japan, and other unforgettable destinations. On shore, you'll sightsee, sample delectable regional cuisine, shop for unique souvenirs, and immerse yourself in exotic experiences beyond imagination. Small ship sailings on the lovely Ocean Princess bring you a more personal perspective with 14 or 16-day Asian adventures. Many feature overnight stays in Hong Kong or Bangkok. Combine Alaska with the Far East for a memorable escape of 15 to 32 days. Between Anchorage and either Beijing or Bangkok, you'll witness both natural splendors and cultural landmarks. Longer, more extraordinary voyages beckon, bound for the distant shores of India and Africa. Board a small ship for a journey ranging from 31 to 63 days. You'll cross the Indian Ocean and see astounding places like Mumbai, the Seychelles, Madagascar, and more. From 10 to 26 ports in all, with an overnight stay in one of the world's most beautiful cities, South Africa's picturesque Cape Town. Experience even more on shore with a cruise tour. Combine your voyage with an immersive land tour to such fabled attractions as a visit to Xi'an's Terracotta Warriors, a cruise along the mighty Yangtze River, or a journey to Cambodia's ancient, mysterious Angkor Wat Temple Complex. If you're longing for an adventure beyond the ordinary, to distant and exotic places, join Princess on an amazing escape to Asia and Africa.